Stop drowning in customer data and start swimming in insights by automating your Aisensy responses straight to an Excel sheet. First, log into your Aisensy account. We'll be setting up a connection that automatically pulls conversation data. Next, navigate to the integrations or webhooks section of your Aisensy dashboard. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your Aisensy version, but look for a setting that allows you to connect with external services. Now, we'll use a platform like Zapier or Make, formerly Integromat, to create the automated workflow. These tools act as a bridge between Aisensy and Excel. In Zapier, for example, create a new Zap. Choose Aisensy as the trigger app. The trigger will likely be something like new message received or new conversation. Next, select either Google Sheets or Excel as your action app. You'll need to connect your Google or Microsoft account to grant permission. Now, the crucial part, data mapping. This is where you tell Zapier which pieces of information from the Aisensy message, like the customer's name, message content, and timestamp, should be placed in which columns in your Excel sheet. Double check that your data is being mapped correctly. Once you're satisfied, turn your Zap or workflow on. Congratulations! Your Aisensy responses will now automatically populate your Excel sheet, enabling efficient data analysis and providing valuable insights to boost your business. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automation tips.